me. Nobody, ooh, happy like me. Nobody, baby, ooh, happy like me. Ooh, happy like me. Ooh, happy like me. Nobody, baby.
What's up, KK squad? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Your girl is happy, your girl is hyped, because guess what? As you guys seen by the title, you already know what's up, what's popping, what's popping, what's here. That's what's up. And from the sit-out box here, UNNU, what's up? Take it all in. Take it all in, baby. Anyways, this is supposed to be an unboxing video, but I already took the phone out of the box because I had to trade in my iPhone 8 Plus. As you guys know, I had an iPhone 8 Plus before I upgraded to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I had that for like over 3 years. Like 3 years, 2 months, going on 4 years. Yeah, my iPhone 8 Plus was in good condition. Everything was good. I didn't have any problem with it. Like, it was still brand new, but my only issue was space. I was having space issues because it's 64 gigabytes and I use my phone to edit. When I do edit my videos, to save the video to my phone, it usually tells me not enough space. So what I had to do was delete all the apps from my phone, a lot of my pictures that I dearly love and didn't want to delete, and videos, just so I could save a video to upload to YouTube. My uploading process was a headache, which it doesn't have to be if I had more space on my phone, but I've been doing that for a pretty long time, deleting all, like when I say all the apps, I had to delete Facebook, Instagram, all my bank apps, Amazon, everything, all the apps you could think of, all social media, all, just everything. I don't even have the FaceTime app on my phone because I wanted space. That's how bad it was. So I had to upgrade, and I said, if I'm gonna upgrade, why not just do it big? Because I know I'm not gonna get any more phone till the next 3-4 years again. So I might as well just do it big, just do it right. I got this phone today, so it's the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it's the color Pacific Blue. Oh my goodness. For those that haven't seen this phone in person, you're missing out. I mean, I know not everyone can afford it, but it's so beautiful. Like, look at it. Just look at it. What I love about it is the size, and it's full screen, because the 8 Plus I had, you really just fought on my video? I'm gonna leave it in there. Anyways, just ignore that, guys. It's full screen, because the 8 Plus, it was like the screen was like right here and then white around it, but this is full screen. I love that. It's Face ID, which I didn't have on my 8 Plus, and also the space, it comes in 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, and 5 something. I got the 256 gigabytes because, like I said, I don't want to have no more space issues. Yeah, a lot of people are like, you edit with your phone, that's weird. I have a laptop, but I find it easier to edit with my phone. I could edit anywhere. I can't do that with a laptop. That big old thing on my lap where I'm just, it's easy to edit with my phone. I find it easier. So why not just, you know, invest in a phone? And also, I want better quality on YouTube. I want my videos to, you know, better quality. No home button. Listen, I'm coming from an 8 Plus, so see with me. Probably the 10 and the other phone after that didn't have a home button, but I'm coming from a home button to no home button. Unlocking with fingerprint to Face ID. Your girl done upgraded. Yes sir. Anyways, let me show you guys what came inside the box. Like I said, I got it today, right? And let me show you the difference with this iPhone and the other ones, because like the sales rep told me today. All right, so what comes inside the box is this charger. Like I said, I got it today, so I didn't even charge the phone. This charger, which is a different charger from all the other iPhones. I think this is the booklet. Yeah, I think, yes. What is? Oh, it's not the booklet, it's a stick. Oh, the sticker and booklet, like a little booklet. And the apples. Ooh, I'm gonna put this on my car. This one is cute. This one is matte. This sticker is matte. It's not like the regular Apple sticker. Listen, they done upgraded. Like, this one is matte. I love it. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on my car. You're gonna be like, girl, you an Apple fan? Yeah, apple, banana, orange, pumpkin, everybody, fruit and veggie. So that's what came in the box. Remember back in the days when you get like the earphones and all that extra stuff in the box? You don't. This one I had to buy the, I forgot what that part is called that you plug in the wall to plug this part in. I had to buy that separate because it doesn't even come inside the box, and it's not the same regular iPhone plug-in thingy. I'm gonna show it to you. It's different. So like I said, so it's called a power adapter. This one I had to buy it separate. It doesn't come in the box, and the regular one can work, but what they told me is over time, he was telling me an example, like, you know, when you use something that's not the right one to use with this phone, but it can work, but over time it will do some type of damage. So I just got the right one because I don't want that. How do you open this? Come on, come on. Wait, there is where them use Gorilla Glue. Oh, this is how you open it. Gosh, I'm so harsh. Okay, we got it. So this is it. It looks completely different from the regular one. See, it's bigger. Let me show you the regular one. You can see the difference. This is the one that, you know, everyone uses, and this is the one I use. So as you can see, the size difference, it is not the same size. Yeah, so scratch that. I didn't say that. It's not the same size. You can't use this one. Yeah, I already have a screen protector on the screen, and I already have my case because a girl just trying to be on the safe side. Yeah, so I made sure to get everything in one day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna use this phone right now. Oh, look at the case. Wait, let me put it on so you guys can see it. So this is the case, and as you guys know, this phone has 3 cameras, and I also want you guys to see the quality. So I'm going to use a quality to record and also take pictures and insert pictures for you guys to see. But this is the phone case. So pretty. Honestly, the camera is not doing it any justice, but it's so pretty. All right, so I'm gonna switch over to the phone to see. I know it's, the quality is everything, but I don't know how it's gonna be in this lighting, but we're gonna try it. Right now I'm using my Canon G7X Mark II, and I'm gonna switch over to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. All right, KK Squad, so this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max camera. I should be looking over here, but I'm looking there. just ignore me. Anyways, this is the quality. I know it can show a better quality. I know it can, because last night I was in good lighting and it looked way better than this. But oh wait, oh yes, oh yes, I think I found the angle. I think I found it. So as you can see, this is, I'm on my balcony, this is the lake, and look at that, it is so beautiful. And mind you, there's a mesh, like I am recording through a mesh on my balcony, and you can still see clear. I love this. Beautiful. See, nice quality. Goodbye. It's a goodbye. I'm not telling you goodbye, I'm just saying it is a goodbye. I'm gonna even show you guys the portrait, like pictures. I'm gonna be putting pictures right here, showing you guys how the quality is. But this phone is amazing. So maybe I'm just not at the right angle right now, but throughout my videos you'll see good quality. Don't worry, it's coming, guys. But anyways, if you're thinking about getting this phone, get it. It's amazing. I love it. I love everything about it, because I was contemplating in between iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and once I walked into the store and saw the Pro Max, I was like, yep, that's the one. This the one. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.